Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some great immigration news to share with you. As a country committed to combating human trafficking and supporting its victims, the United States recognizes the need to protect survivors of trafficking and labor exploitation. That's why the U.S. provides options for survivors to obtain legal residency, allowing them to rebuild their lives and move towards a brighter future. So, if you or someone you know has experienced these heinous crimes, this video is for you. Options and resources for survivors of trafficking and labor exploitation. As an attorney who works with survivors of human trafficking to legalize their status in the United States, Julia Frantaschi explains that the U.S. offers a path to residency for survivors of trafficking and labor exploitation. If you work overtime and are not paid, if your salary is lower because you are undocumented, or if you are a victim of abuse because of your immigration status, you should know that you can apply for a T visa. This would allow you to obtain a work permit, a social security number, and immigration protection. Who qualifies for a T visa? This non-immigrant visa allows a person to stay in the country for 4 years and begin the process of obtaining residency. One of the key aspects is that the applicant does not need the support of an affidavit of support or a sponsor, so it's perfect for people whose partners deny them support to obtain legal status. Another key aspect of this visa is that it has no time limit. A person who is a victim of human trafficking at the border, for example, and who has been forced to work as a sex slave or otherwise can apply for this visa, which is like protection years after the fact. Temporary workers and domestic workers who are not paid their wages, forced to work longer hours under threat or coercion, are also eligible to apply for T visas. How long does it take for a T visa to be approved? The T visa can be approved within 6 to 8 months of application. Some cases may be sooner, and others may take up to 2.5 years. Survivors of human trafficking and labor exploitation need all the support they can get. The importance of providing support and protection to survivors. The United States is committed to combating human trafficking and supporting its victims. Homeland Security investigations found that the crime of human trafficking is not limited by age, gender, ethnicity, or economic resources. Last year, SHE conducted 1373 criminal investigations related to sex trafficking and forced labor, resulting in 3,655 arrests and 638 convictions. SHE also assisted 765 victims and approved continued prisons for 334 individuals. So, if you or someone you know has experienced human trafficking or labor exploitation, don't hesitate to seek help. There are organizations that support victims of human trafficking, and the U.S. government offers legal options for survivors to obtain residency. Remember, many immigrants are forced to work without pay to pay for the trip or the services of a poet, so it's crucial to know your rights. Summary of the video. The United States provides a path to residency for survivors of trafficking and labor exploitation, allowing them to obtain legal residency and rebuild their lives. This non-immigrant visa, called the T visa, allows survivors to obtain a work permit, a social security number, and immigration protection. The applicant does not need the support of an affidavit of support or a sponsor, making it perfect for people whose partners deny them support to obtain legal status. Temporary workers and domestic workers who are not paid their wages and are forced to work longer hours under threat also qualify for this visa. Applicants must be in the United States to apply, and the visa can include family members. The T visa can be approved within 6 to 8 months of application. And survivors of human trafficking and labor exploitation are encouraged to apply for this visa. Thanks for tuning in, beautiful people. We hope you found this video informative and useful. If you did, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming videos. See you in the next one.